Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 21st, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw more volatility. A lot more bouncing around than anything, but ended up being a fairly quiet day after all. The Dow was up 25 points. You can see this indecision type candle here, and the S&P was up 5.5, while the Nasdaq was up 6.5 points. So, narrow victory for the bulls here. Really what this is the calm before the storm. And I'm referring obviously to that Brexit vote, the UK referendum coming up on Thursday. And so what I think we can expect here going forward is tomorrow will probably be very, very similar to today. And it may be even quieter than today. And then once the results of that vote are released, I think this market is going to make a big move. Now, I do think the move will be much bigger to the downside if they decide to leave the European Union. But if the state camp wins, then we should see a pop to the upside in equities. But I think it'll be a lot smaller of a move than it would be should they decide to leave and we see a sell-off. I think that's where the real big move will happen. Russell today again was lower, bounced back and forth, ended up very close to yesterday's close. The yen pulled back slightly, and the yen's really not moving a whole lot compared to some of these other markets like bonds. Bonds moving lower once again here, closing this gap. And gold was a big mover today to the downside, down over 22 points. Bouncing for part of that as well. But I think gold is one of those markets that might really get a pop out of an exit vote. So should that happen, and the fact that it's pulling back here, I think we'll quickly see it off to fresh new highs should the UK decide to leave the European Union. And crude today bouncing as well once again, but up about 32 cents or so. So expect another quiet day tomorrow, or just back and forth, but not much movement overall. And then after that vote on Thursday, I think we can really expect things to pick up. So fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a ride. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.